Hey YouTubers, welcome back. This is Eli Dobry Tech. I'm working on this 2006 Ford F150 with this 5.4 liter 3-valve engine. It's a 4x4, so as you can see, I've already removed this power window and door lock panel here. But the main problem here that the owner is saying that the driver's side window only works when it rolls down, but when it's time to roll it back up, that's where he tends to struggle the most to make it go back to the closing position. Sometimes he has to fiddle with it up to maybe 20-30 minutes just to get it back up, and sometimes when it wants to work, it only rolls up to 2 to 3 inches and it stops. He has to fiddle with it until finally it grabs and the window rolls up. I've already pre-diagnosed it. I've concluded that the problem it is the power window switch module here. It's only for the driver's side. I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is for the front passenger side. I'm going to go ahead and actuate it. Right now it's in the down position. I'm going to go back up. There you go. Now the right rear down, and finally the left rear. So all those do work. Now let me show you guys for the driver's side. I'm gonna hit the down. Down is no problem, but when I try to roll it back up, we only hear the clicking sound on the switch. I've actually been able to find the glitch where I'm able to actually raise the window back up. I've actually pressed the middle part of it with force. If you press it with force and push down, to the up position, it does tend to grab. So here we go. I'm going to press about in the middle position here between these two arrows, the up and down. There we go. Beautiful. See, but it stopped. So that's where the customer said that sometimes it does roll up 2-3 inches and it stops. Here we go again. It stopped. I'm still pressing on it. I'm going to press back down. See, down is no problem. So let me show you guys real quick, how to check it to pretty much conclude that it's a bad switch. So let me set up and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so I'll be using two methods here. One with the wannabe power probe. This is a KM10. It works like a power probe. And then I'll be using a regular test light. So those who own a power probe or something similar to a power probe, the first test, the first test I'll be performing with this unit here, I'll be pretty much disconnecting the connector from the module, and then I'll be using a jumper wire connected to the tip, and then the other test lead is going to go to pin number 5, which is going to be here on the module. Pin number 5 is going to be that top right terminal here. That's your pin number 5, and the one next to it's pin number 6. Those two pins are the ones that pretty much work with your driver's side window switch. So here we go. I'm going to connect the test lead, pin number 5. It's going to actually beep, showing ground. And this is done with the key on engine off. So here we go. I'm going to turn the key to the engine, to the on position. So remember, the up position is our faulty connection here, or faulty contact that's causing this window not to operate properly, when we try to roll the window up. So here we go. I'm gonna hit the switch to the up position, and this is what we get. So this is pretty much telling us that the problem it is the switch, because we're not getting that 12 volts. Now if I hit the down position, nothing happens. Remember, the down position is for pin number 6. Now I'm still going to keep it in pin number 5 because I'm going to try to hit the middle portion of the switch and see if we could close those contacts to get the 12 volts. So here we go. There you go. About the highs was like 9 point something. Nothing happened there. 9.3. Do it one more time. 9.9. So that's the reason why we get that 2 to 3 inch roll up where it goes up and it stops, because we're not getting enough current through the motor. It's only 9.9 volts. You know, I'm gonna do it one more time. Nothing happened there. 3.4. There you go, 10.5. Now I'm going to show you guys the pin number 6 now. To show pretty much the difference. A good working circuit. So pin number 6 now. Remember, pin number 6 is the one that goes for the down position. Alright, so here we go. There you go, 12.3 volts. And it's a steady 12 volts. It doesn't cut off compared to the up position. There we go again. 12.3, 12.2. So there you go. That's the way to check with the power probe. Now with the test light, test light's gonna be connected to ground, and we're gonna do pretty much the same thing. Let me first set up and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so I got the test light connected to ground. I'm using one of those power and ground cigarette lighter units, as you can see there. On one end is your power feed, the other end is our ground. Now next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to perform the same thing. I'm using the test light by using the jumper wire to one end, and then the other end on pin number 5. When I hit the switch, the test light should come on. So here you go. This is the down position, which nothing happens. Now if I go to the up position, here we go. I'm gonna make it momentarily have a good contact. So here we go. There you go, test light is on and turned off, and I'm still pressing the switch on the up position. I'm going to do one more time. It's really hard to get that contact on the up position. Here we go again. There you go, it came on but turned off again. Now I'm going to front probe the pin number 6 now, which is the down position. Here we go, and look at the difference now. Steady light with no glitches. Once again, the up position, nothing happens. There you go. The down position is making good contact, which is allowing good current to go through the motor. So this is pretty much the signal here for the motor to go down. I want to front probe back the pin number 5 once again and try to make good contact and see the test light once again. Here we go. And then turned off. So that's the reason why this window only rolls up 2-3 inches and it stops. And you have to press it again until it finally grabs and goes all the way up. So that's a quick way to do it, by using the test light and a power probe to verify or just separate the circuit from the motor to the switch. If you get those type of glitches like that, either going to the up position, down position, or even up or down, if nothing happens, if the test light doesn't turn on, either up or down, or just one part of the switch, which is in this case the down position. It's pretty much working pretty good. The up position is glitching. So, hopefully you guys learned something here. This is Eli WD Tech. Subscribe, you like. Alright guys, this is gonna be a little quick bonus video. I'm gonna show you guys the old with the new here. Brand new part. It's a Duralast. Part number SW6666. This is the old part. As you can see, it's nice and dirty. Perhaps water has gone inside this switch here and caused the #1 switch or the driver's side window for the up position to go bad. As you can see, it's very dirty. I believe this truck came from Arizona. Arizona is a desert area. It's a lot of dirt. Alright, so so I'm gonna go ahead and just install the new switch, as the owner already got it, and just show you guys a good working circuit. Alright guys, with the newly installed switch module here, I got the connector back into the module here. Back probing pin number 5. I got the Power Pro hooked up. Right now it's just beeping, showing that it's ground. Next step is to just go ahead and hit the up position now. And this should be a steady 12 volts. So here we go. Window is down. As you can see, there's no more glitches. We're getting that 12 volts. There we go again. Nice. Up and down, and no glitches. Alright guys, so this is pretty much a fix here. Alright.